Hey everyone, I got 5 tips for you how to get better at ChatGPT. Number one, you are a critical thinker and tell me when I'm wrong. Why you want to do this is sometimes chatbots like ChatGPT just want you to be feel good and everything's all hunky dory and everything that you think of is a good idea. That's not necessarily what we want to have. We want to be it to be honest. Well, I want it to be honest and tell me when I'm wrong because all my ideas are not good. So I want it to be based on reality and it to be tell me when my ideas are not good and to call me out on my bad ideas. So I don't go about thinking my ideas are good when in reality they're not. So that's tip number one. Tip number two, act if you are a why. It will home in on that understanding and give you better information. So, it might, for example, but if you home in on advice and tell it why, it will understand what you're trying to do, and it will respond in a more accurate way. So you can be a marketer with 5 years experience, or 10 years, or how many years you think it's good, and you're a senior at your job, and you know how to do email marketing. So that is another simple. Tip number three, keep it short and to the point. It's kind of obvious, but sometimes chatbots go on and on and on. So I would suggest if you don't want to give you a 10-page essay about something, ask it to keep it short and to the point. Or if you do want a 10-page essay, ask it to keep it long format and it'll give you a longer written piece. And if you want to give it even more, be more broad, ask it to be giving you a lot of detail. Sometimes you want a lot of detail, like for research project or some other project that you're working on. So you want a lot of detail, and with a lot of detail, you can analyze it better. Tip number 4. I'm going to have to share my screen with you for this one. And this is a free, I'm using a free code, so anyone has access to this. It's called projects. For this example, let's do invest in and create project. And we'll go and create a project, and it's under projects. So invest in, you can put in your historical analysis, room analysis for your estimates, let's say. And if you want to do another one, you say your student make a project for homework. So go and create it. You can put in your homework stuff. It's just a way to keep it more organized for you. In addition, you have 2 options. You can go and create 2 project settings. You can just change the name, or you cannot do that actually. But more importantly, you have custom instructions. You can give it your prompts, and it will remember it every time you start a new chat. And another one is add files. You can add a file, like a text document, or if you want to, you can add a picture. There's other documents that you can add, but for now, let's just keep it at that. And when it's finished, you can close out the file. And when you start a new chat, it will have it in its memory. So I will ask it.
I wander Want
to see
that
picture.
pick cage against again.
So that should produce the picture. And by the way, this is the free account. So anyone has access to this, all you gotta do is create an account. So you have access to this, and you can do other scenes, but that's the feature at work. And I'll go back to my screen. And my last tip number 5, is you can talk to ChatGPT. Again, this is a free version. You do not have to pay for this, but voice assistants. And you see this little, I know it's hard to see, but the little scene on my app that's right. You can push it, and it will turn into, it'll activate the voice. Hi, can you do a demonstration for me? Because I'm doing a demonstration on YouTube on how you can talk to me.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help with that. I can chat with you in real time and show you how it works. Just let me know what you need and we can get started with your demonstration.
Okay, and we are in a demonstration, but can you tell me about how I could use you for being dyslexic?
Of course, you can use me for all sorts of things. I can help you brainstorm ideas, answer questions, provide explanations, assist with writing or editing, and even just chat to keep you company. If you're doing a YouTube demo, I can show how I can respond in real time, handle different queries, and even adapt to various tones or styles. Just let me know what specific examples you want to include.
Okay, thank you. You were already in the demo, but thank you. So that's my 5th tip. But with myself, I have dyslexia. Reading and writing is a challenge. I can use this to import my information and to get out information. If I need to get something out quickly, I can use that, or I can use my phone's Siri, which is an iPhone. So yeah, I can use Siri to help me write out more proper inputs. So that's my top 5. That is my 5 tips on how to use ChatGPT. If you want to know more, you want to know more on how to use ChatGPT, please contact me. The information is in the description below. If you like this video, please like it. If you have any comments, please make the comments. And if you find my channel useful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Anyway, have a great day.